Wednesday night Neosho on the boulevard. A serious crash turns fatal for a Neosho man. On the scene, Neosho police tell us 2 northbound vehicles on the boulevard collided with a F-150 that pulled into the path of those 2 vehicles. There were actually 2 men in the bed of that pickup truck, and both were thrown from the vehicle onto the pavement. The driver of the pickup truck was found to be DWI. Neosho Police Chief Jason Baird states in a media release, as they continue their investigation, when it's complete, they will submit charges to the Newton County prosecutor. That DWI driver of the pickup truck suffered moderate injuries, was transported to a Joplin hospital. 1 man thrown out of the back of the pickup truck suffered moderate injuries. The second man thrown from the back of the pickup died at an area hospital. Jeremy Olmstead, 39 years old, of Neosho, Missouri. Next of kin have now been notified. Click the bit link for updates and more information in our Joplin News First tab at KOAM News Now. In Neosho, on the boulevard, I'm Shannon Becker for KOAM News Now.